Welcome back to Wooded Lake Adventures. We're out at the Wooded Lake property today, and we're going to work on installing the gates that we built back home in New Jersey. You can see behind me there we have the gate, and then the extension piece. Probably easier if I flip over. So we have the gate, and then below that we have the extension piece which will go in the gate when we determine the exact size we need. And then it has the chain on the end, which will be used in the open position to hold it in place. And then the closed position, the chain from each side will get clipped together or locked together depending upon what we choose. So we're going to get some tools, get set up, and we'll start getting these mounted to the 6x6s we put in a week or two ago. Measured our gates here and determined the height we needed on the pole versus the marks we made when we had the 360-degree level out here. And what we're going to do now is drill a hole along the T-square. The idea of this T-square is to keep our drill bit and extension level here. We'll make sure we're lined up with it and drill straight through our posts for the bracket that goes in the hinge. So we have the bottom hinge bracket in. What we'll do is we'll measure the gate for where to put the top one. We'll repeat the exact same process, measuring up from this hinge where it needs to be. We'll mount our T-square on there, and we'll try putting the gate on and see how it works. Hopefully it works as planned. This is our first attempt at a gate here. Used our 360-degree level with the on our tripod to measure the top of the gate, height on that side to then this side. And what we'll do from there, we'll measure down the hinges, mark and drill the hinges on this side, and put it in. The gate might be a little too high for what we're looking for. We may drop it down in the future. We're not positive. We still need to put probably 4 to 6 inches of stone on the driveway to get a finished driveway, so we'll see the height there. Our issue would be if we drop it down on the other side, we need to remove some of those rocks and shift them around the way we put the rock wall in, because obviously that's higher than the driveway. So we'll have to see how it works out, but that's our plan for now. I've shifted the rock wall on this side. You can see the big rock is now all the way on the right here. I moved that from closer to the gate post so I could drop the gate post down about 10, 11 inches. I think it's better that way. It gives a little more space, actually a little less space, I guess, under the gate, and it looks like a better height. So we'll have to see how that plays out as we build up the driveway rock, but I think that should work out better for us. So we've got this side mounted on the hinges, the extension piece cut to size and installed. Here we've driven a fence post into the dirt. We may replace this with something nicer looking in the future, but for now this works for us. You can see how when open, the chain hooks around the fence post and can be latched with a carabiner to keep the gate in an open position. We found the gate was really wide, since each side's about 15, 16 feet, so the gate as a whole would really benefit from a center support. I forgot to video the build and the install of that, but here are some quick pictures of what it looks like once installed. The gates are each wide enough that with just a vehicle without a trailer, we can open one side and drive through, leaving the center support in place. That will probably wrap up today's video in our gate project. As always, thank you for watching. Please give our video a like. Please share it with your friends. Please subscribe to our channel so you know when we post new videos. And leave us a comment. Thank you.